Hello, I would like to explain about indoor location-based service and introduce you to the SLiM Hub, developed in our research center. Unlike outdoor location-based service using GPS, the most important characteristic in indoor location-based service is where the service is concentrated. Indoor service should focus on each unit space. Unit space is a logical section. Each room, such as kitchen, office room, conference room, becomes a unit space. Recently, Apple announced a service called iBeacon, which is similar indoor location-based solution. iBeacon service has anchor nodes which separates the unit space and periodically shoots a beacon signal. Apple's iBeacon service is a protocol for a smartphone that has plenty of battery capacity. An anchor node shoots the beacon signal periodically, and a smartphone scans the beacon signal to notice its current location. But in indoor, there are lots of mobile or wearable devices, such as smartphones, smartwatch, smart tags, etc. And all of these devices will require certain kinds of indoor services. But most of these devices has only limited amount of battery power and needs to last long for just one charge. This is why low power consumption is an important technical issue. In order to solve this issue, in our research center we have developed an anchor node, the SLiM Hub, which stands for Self-Organizing Localized IoT Messaging. The SLiM Hub contains a new indoor location service concept. The SLiM Hub has three major roles in unit space. The first role is it represents the unit space for a mobile device. If mobile device has enough battery power, then SLiM Hub gives the beacon message periodically. But when mobile device only has a little bit of power, then mobile device shoots the beacon message. SLiM Hub collects these data and knows the mobile device's location. The SLiM Hub also works as a communication access point. SLiM Hub supports both wireless communication such as BLE, Zigbee, and Wi-Fi, and also wired communication, Ethernet, CAN, RS485. SLiM Hub connects the mobile IT devices and stationary IT devices, which allows data exchange freely without any configuration. The last role is a bridge that connects a unit space to other unit spaces. The SLiM Hub knows and connects to its neighbor SLiM Hub. There are lots of unit space in particular indoor location, so in every unit space there is a SLiM Hub. Some services will require communication between unit space to unit space. For example, the smartphone user in unit space A might want to use a printer that is in unit space B. So SLiM Hub allows you to use the printer service even though you're in different space. SLiM Hubs will collaborate with their neighbors and provide a distributed services. Because of these special functions in the SLiM Hub, we don't need any centralized server for indoor location-based service. It is a complete distributed service system. Now let's look at some different kinds of service. This screen shows a whole map of unit space. In every unit space there is a SLiM Hub, and also you can check which mobile device is located in unit space and which device has moved to other space in real time. We call this mobile asset management service. If you want to monitor a real-time status information of device at certain unit space, for example gas stove, coffee machine, you can get a push service from IoT chatting app through your smartphone. Next is location-based zero configuration printing service. These days, there are lots of mobile computer, smartphone, but it is very hard to use a printing service with the phone at a new place. Just by connecting the printer to our SLiM Hub, the user can easily get the printing service whenever or wherever they are without any configuration. To make a long story short, if you ask a printing service here, SLiM Hub will find the nearest printer and print out what you need. Very convenient, isn't it? Next is location-based messaging service. The message can be either a voice or a text file. For example, the voice message can be sent to a unit space that has a specific mobile device. As long as the specific mobile device is located somewhere in the building, SLiM Hub will find the unit space and send the message.
Dear, where are you now? Raise your hand, please.
For example, the message might be, "Please be careful with the device, it is delicate to the shock." Plus, message can be sent to a person who only enters the unit space. For example, "Please do not touch the samples on the table." These services also can be combined. Assume that you're opening a conference and you want to give the conference materials only to the attendee's smartphone. Just by one simple operation will do the sending service. These services are only possible to a person who has a mobile device, such as smartphone, smartwatch, smart tag, or a device that can interlock with SLiM Hub. By applying these basic functions, an indoor location-based service can provide infinite service solutions. If you want to find out more about our products and researches, please visit our website.